Hey guys, all right, here we are back to the Duramax with the fuel leak, guys. As you can see, I've already removed the intake filter, filter housing, all of that. Always remember, guys, cover it up. You don't want any of those kind of problems. In the process right now of removing the inner fender to drain the coolant, because there's only 3 fuel lines down there. That's it. 3 rubber fuel lines, and that's it. The rest of them are metal pipes, and they don't even have joints in the center. All the joints are on the outside, besides the fuel rail, which I will be able to see here once I start accessing to remove right here. But there's definitely a fuel leak right here in the center. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I gotta get this thermostat housing off so I can reach to the center. I'll be able to show you guys more as I get there. So remember, obviously intake's gonna come off. Obviously, guys, your batteries are disconnected. Always, guys, always disconnect your batteries. So batteries are disconnected. I'm gonna have to get the AC pump out of the way. I'm gonna have to get the thermostat housing out of the way. I'm gonna get the harness connector brackets out of the way and all that, so I can access this area in the center right here. Like I said, there's only 3 rubber hoses. So let me go ahead and get to it, and I'll show you guys every step. All right, see you guys in a bit.